where you go, where you been? I wouldn't ghost, call within.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. So for today's video, we're gonna go test drive a Mustang. We're gonna go test drive a 2021 5.0 10 speed, of course, because I don't know if some of you guys know, but I had the manual before. I had a manual 2018, and that shit started giving me a bunch of issues with the transmission, so I got rid of it. But I've been looking for other cars, and nothing really catches my attention besides another Mustang. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go test drive one. I'll pick up the camera once I'm at the dealership and show you guys the car. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Here it is. Here's the new car. I got a 2021 Mustang 5.0, of course, in white, just like my other one, but look, it's a fucking 10 speed. Oh yeah, look at that. I got the 10 speed automatic as opposed to the manual that I had before. I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but if you guys are new, I used to have a 2018 5.0 in white, and it was starting to give me a whole bunch of transmission issues with the MT82, so I ended up getting rid of it, and I literally just picked this up to the manual. I got the modes in here. My old one didn't have that before. Obviously the Sync 3 paddle shifters. It came with blind spot monitors on the mirrors. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, the little car icons right there. And then it also's got the lighting, I forget what it's called, but you see that right there, they light up, and your tack lights up, all the lights underneath your feet and on the doors. Also this Mustang thing here lights up. So yeah, my other one didn't have any of this stuff. It was just like the very basic one, and obviously this one is still basic, but you know, you got a couple little add-ons. It's still got cloth seats, but we'll probably end up fixing that, throw in the red leather like on my other one. But yeah, guys, I ended up going with the 5.0 just because nothing else out there really caught my attention at all. Like I checked out a couple Camaros, stuff like that, but it wasn't my type of car, and they were, you know, they're like 40 something thousand for a used one with like 20-30,000 miles. Like, I got this thing brand new. It's got, let's see how many miles it's got on it. Literally 301 miles, because I've been driving it around, but I got it with under 300 miles. Like, that's crazy. And I got a, you know, really good deal on the car. Obviously I love the Mustangs. I wanted one so bad, but yeah, we got the 10 speed. Hopefully we have, you know, better luck with this one compared to, you know, my manual one. But yeah, guys, I'm freaking stoked. But yeah, guys, see the big old 5.0 right there? It's still got the plastic on there. Look at that shit. Oh, I'm so stoked. What did you guys think I was gonna end up getting? Did you guys think I was gonna switch it up or something? I kind of was. I really like Corvettes. That was my other car I was looking at. But I didn't really want to, you know, pay all that extra money, and I don't know. I was just with the Mustang, you know. I gotta do it right this time with the 10 speed. Hopefully, you know, this thing doesn't give me issues like my other one. But yeah, guys, so I just want to show you guys the car. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of content with this thing. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.